Hey guys, this is Eska Elevators and More driving a Nissan Altima. And we're here at a Ryko Softgloss Maxx car wash, or whatever Ryko brush car wash this is. It's a color changing car wash, it's a brand new system, and we're going to get a car wash because this Nissan Altima is ultimately dirty.
Select to wash by touching the corresponding button on the screen.
My special guest is my dad.
Button to enter your code.
We're not showing his face for privacy reasons. Here's the car wash options. Pause if you want to read them. Anyways, we're going to be getting the Platinum wash.
Please insert payment now.
My dad's credit card is what we will be using. I will not be showing the credit card due to privacy reasons. Here we go.
Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Okay, so the wash is ready. Before we go in, we're going to close the window. Here we go. We have the underspray. Excuse me about the coughing, that is my father. Here we are in the car wash. And you're gonna see the lights of a lifetime. Except that these are out. Those would have been lights right there. We're starting out with triple soak and triple soak and pre-soak. Here are the Ryko brushes spinning now in the pre-soak and the triple foam. Here's my dad's hands. Unfortunately, he did not close the window all the way, so he gets a Ryko that is the most Rykominal thing that I've ever seen. So here are the brushes again, and the top brush. Here we go. So anyways, this is the newest, one of the newest Ryko Softgloss Maxxes I've ever seen. As you can see right here, it's got brand new, right now they have changed their stop, back up and go lights. So now it's actually, the words are actually shown stop, back up and go now instead of just the lights. And we have color changing lights in this freaking car wash, which is freaking awesome. I still can't believe my dad put soap on his hands. It was the most amazing thing ever. Ooh, look at this, it's lava. This would have been way too hot for my dad's hands, so lucky he got the triple soak. It's like he got unicorn stuff on his hand. Ah, I can smell it in the ventilation system. Here's the Nissan Altima. Just a little bit of this display and stuff. Here's the mirror. Even though you didn't really see me. So there was kind of like a rinse. So now it's in the rinsing stages, so you won't see the brushes any longer. Those are supposed to be lights, but it turns out that they are not working. I will refilm this some other time when they work again. Here's some of the lights. Now I'm going to be quiet now so that you can hear the startup of the Ryko dryers that are on the machinery itself. Here we go. Well, not yet. I apologize. But when that time comes, I will gladly be quiet to let you guys hear the startup. Oh, but I still can't believe my dad had soap on his hand. It's the most amazing time of his life. Now it's blue. Probably means it's the rinsing stages. Alright, here goes the Ryko dryers. Prepare. Here we go. My dad does not actually know that these are onboard dryers, so therefore I don't have to go. My dad is so excited. My dad is so scared because he's sleeping. But I still will not be showing him in his face for privacy reasons. I apologize for any inconvenience. But it looks like the lights are red because it's trying to act like one hot dryer. So anyways, these onboard dryers by Ryko always had the louvers on them. And unfortunately, the trouble is about them is that it doesn't really dry the top of the cars very well. But overall, the dryers seem to be okay though. Not really awesome, but anyways, so here is the soap and stuff right over here. Oh, what's that little alarm over there? It goes honk. But anyways, there's also Dayton heaters in here. It looks like if it's way too cold for this car wash. So unfortunately, the brushes seem to like the back of the car. I wish I had a midnight snack right now. Let's look at that. That is literally the actual lighting in this car wash. So there's no such thing as old style fluorescent lighting or something like that. That's it right there. So yeah, these are the new lights right here. Obviously backup is still in yellow. And here are the louvers for the Ryko dryers. Their Ryko dryers have always been powerful, but when it comes to like onboard on Ryko Softglosses, they don't work as well as their drive through the dryer style dryers. Anyways, here's gonna be the shutdown, and then I'll go. So anyways, yeah, the go symbol went. Other cars coming in. I have to turn. Obviously, I hit the curb, like Kirby. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this car wash video, also known as a comedian car wash video. Dang, I hit the signal. That's so signalizing. So anyways, there was the car wash. Yeah, a lot of lighting, to be honest with you guys. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video in Ashburn Village of Ashburn, Virginia. Before I go, this is the gas station over here. I'll turn inside to show you guys what it's like before I go. This is an A+ store, and it also has your repair shop. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this exciting version of my videos. Thank you and good night.